Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore RingCentral call outcomes inside Salesforce. Detail. To restore RingCentral call outcomes inside Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. In the Quick Find box, type RingCentral. Select the RingCentral integration settings from the list of options. Ensure that your RingCentral integration is properly installed and authorized. If the installation has not been completed, follow the prompts to set up the integration. Once you confirm the integration is active, proceed to the Call Outcomes section. Here, you will see the existing call outcomes mapped within Salesforce. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit button corresponding to the call outcome you wish to modify. To add a new call outcome, select the New button. Fill out the required fields, ensuring you provide a name and description for the new outcome. Save your changes and confirm the new call outcome appears in the list. Next, check the mapping of call outcomes to ensure they match your desired criteria. To do this, access the Mapping section within the RingCentral settings. Review each outcome's mapping, comparing it to your business processes. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure accurate reporting and analytics. After finalizing the mappings, navigate back to the Call Outcomes section. Test the integration by making a test call through RingCentral. After the call completes, check Salesforce to see if the call outcome has been recorded correctly. If everything appears as intended, your RingCentral call outcomes are now successfully restored in Salesforce. For troubleshooting, review any error messages displayed during the process. Consult RingCentral and Salesforce documentation for further guidance if needed. With the integration restored, you can now leverage accurate call outcomes for reporting and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.